Qichun Jiujintang Health Technology Company, Limited, established in 2013, is a professional engaged in research development and collaboration with a number of colleges, institutions, and military businesses. We specialize in mechanical component forging and cold extrusion. We are conveniently located in the Sanwatown Industrial Park in Qichun County, Huanggang City, Hubei Province. We are dedicated to stringent quality control and considerate customer care. Currently, our company's primary products include forging parts, casting parts, cold extrusion parts, stamping parts, flamethrowers, metal CNC machining and various equipment components. In Jiujintang Province we also have a number of branch factories. The company offers a wide range of goods that are created and built to client specifications using modern production equipment, stringent testing procedures, and quality control systems. Our products are sold in all cities and provinces in China, as well as to clients in many nations and areas across the world.